our baggage at the door. Now she talks about her ex non-stop, but I don't mind. But when she calls out his name in bed, that's where I draw the line. You told me 100 times how your father left and he's gone, but I wish you wouldn't call me daddy when we're getting it on. And I said, yeah, yeah. Oh man, she's got issues and I'm gonna pay. Yeah, yeah. She's playing the victim and taking it all out of me. The faster we're falling, we're stopping and stalling, we're running in circles again. Just as things were looking up, you said it wasn't good enough, but still we're trying one more time. Maybe we're just trying too hard, when really it's closer than it is too far. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under. 'Cause I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above in my head instead of going under. Instead of going under. Seems like each time I'm with you I lose my mind, because I'm bending over backwards to relate. It's one thing to complain, but when you're driving me insane, well then I think it's time that we took a break. Maybe we're just trying too hard, when really it's closer than it is